If you want success, if you want to discover new things, if you want progress, if you want to growth in your business, in your current profession and in your career, then you need to ask questions. Yes, you heard it right. You need to ask questions. Hello friends, my name is Atish Morewal, helping you unleash your true potential by adding values to your life. So let's start. You know, there is special category of people who used to ask most questions. Yes, guess it. Yes, you guess it right. Kids are the one who used to ask most questions. According to a study done in New York, an average 4-year kid used to ask 300 questions per day. And I agree with this because I have a daughter of 4-year-old and she is always ready with bundle of questions. She used to ask why water is wet. She used to ask to her Mama, why we don't fry puris, you know, round puris, puri bhaji? Yes, why we don't fry puris into water? Water and vegetable oil both look alike. So why we fry puris into oil and not in water? Also she asked why sky is blue, why it is not pink. She asked this because pink is her favorite color and she wants sky to be pink. She asked more because she wants more. But what happened to us? Why we don't ask so many questions now? Why practice of asking question diminishes now? I found root cause of this in our education system. Since childhood, our education system told us answers are more important. As a student, you can only admire when you know the answer. You can pass the class only when you know the answer. You can have good grade by answer. You can top the class by answer. So answer are the key to success. If answer is the key to success, then where is the lock? If you have this key and don't have lock with you, what are you gonna do with this key? This key is of no use. So for the use of this key, you have to find the lock first. This key is only useful when you have lock with you. So lock is also important. And where you find the lock? Lock is present in abundance. Only you have to ask for it. You know, a scientist is not the person who gives right answer, but he is the person who asks right questions. Also, you know, we got ample of thoughts in a day. We got 60,000 thoughts per day. And surprisingly, 80% of it are negative, not constructive. As you pay attention to your thought, you are amazed to discover that most of them are useless, unimportant. These are thoughts that pass through your mind with a huge speed. So, thoughts are continuous. They will let to come. So what we can do? I got answer of this thing in one of the finest definition of question. which says questions enables us to organize our thinking towards what we don't know or what we want to know. So by asking question, you can organize your random thoughts and focus them in a particular direction to get fruitful results. Yes, by asking question, you can control your random thoughts and convert them into fruitful results. So, asking questions give you success? Yes? Yes? No. I don't agree with this. Asking question will not give you success, but asking right questions give you success. Yes. Quality questions create quality life. And successful people are the one who ask better questions, and as a result they got better answer. And right questions are not the questions whom answer you got in Google, but they are the question that push you to think, reflect and create something new. So you can ask some right questions like this: why I am here? What is the purpose of my life? How I can add value to my life and to others' life? How I can solve this challenge easily? How different people help me to solve this challenge? And how I can build my legendary life? So, by asking right questions, you can create your quality life. And remember one thing, destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. And for right choice, ask right questions. Thank you. If you like this video, do click on like button. And also share this video to your friends, family member, colleagues and your teachers who still have the myth that questions are not important. Also, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I upload 2 videos per week, one in English and one in Hindi, which add values to your life. Thank you and bye-bye.